Bro, I don't know if this is a coffee. It tastes like donkey booty. All right, so I was having a little trouble with getting the lift to work. Dang, I parked so close to this. Stop by Sheets, because first we need a coffee. Oh, okay. So when it's super cold outside, the hydraulic lines like to thicken up, and then it's not gonna work until it heats up outside. So that's one con of not having a garage. That ain't coffee, that's like hot milk. Today we have the biggest route yet on the channel. We have 17 houses. We are currently making about $750 on this route today, just from today. As you guys can see right now, we are on like a very gravel dirt road. This house is probably one of the most hardest ones to get into. So imagine if you had a trailer right now. What am I gonna do, huh? We're gonna have to reverse because the house is all the way back, baby. We doing good, we doing great, we doing good, we doing great. Look, you can see the water right there. They got a nice house, that's pretty cool. All right, one down, 16 more to go. This house is really in a bad position. It's a one-way this way and a one-way this way, so I just gotta hurry up. Okay. So all I have to do is just bag the recycle. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I think I'd rather bag a trash can than a recycle bin. Just so much loose trash in a recycle. Ew, someone's dookie. Someone dookied on their sheets, dog. I hope that wasn't actually dookie on the sheets, bro. That's actually kind of making me a little hungry, honestly. Hey, Nelson Amaya. Dang, you see these big old bags we got? This is amazingness. I just touched some dookie today. Oh, snap. Get in there. The sun is coming out. It's not as cold. It's still a little chilly, but you know, we're doing good. This is a 4-bin house. We got 13 more houses to go. I'm not gonna be able to record every single one. Yeah. If you guys are gonna do this, I recommend you getting actual waterproof pants and a waterproof jacket. Some of them say waterproof, but they are not waterproof, I'm telling you. Because right now it's a little chilly outside, and then like it's going through my pants now, so I am screwed. I have 6 more. I'm gonna try to get them done quick, but man. Alright guys, I officially ran out of water. I just pumped the water from that bag from here, and we have very little left. We have one more house. Let's see if this is enough. Guys, I just finished the last one. I didn't get to record it, but I'm so glad that I did not have to go back to go fill up water just for one house. Man, woo! We done, baby. You know, I was kind of joking around saying it was doo-doo on the bed sheets, but I'm actually thinking, like, I think it was doo-doo. Someone dookied themselves, threw it in the recycle without no bag, just because they know that your boy is gonna come and clean it out for them. That's how confident they are. They'll crap in their trash can and be like, my boy got it. Hey, we're on a different level now. Woo, baby! It's already dark outside, man. Look outside, it's dark. But your boy, we working hard. But it's not only me. Got Jocelyn on the admin stuff, talking to other companies, getting us deals, talking to the customers and closing in the customers that call. It's not just a one-man show. We got both of us, so I'm just doing the dirty work.